Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Mail app not showing latest emails on iPhone. If your Mail app on iPhone is not showing the latest emails, you can try several troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First of all you have to do is pull to refresh. Open the Mail app. First of all open the Mail app, go back and on the mailbox screen try pulling down on the email list to refresh it manually, like this. This action triggered the app to check for new emails. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your mail app. So guys, sorry. Close the mail app completely and reopen it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access to app switcher. Find the mail app and swipe it away to close it. Then open the mail app again and see if the issue solved or not. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve software glitches. So you have to go open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut on your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is delete and re-add your email account. Remove the email account from your iPhone and then add it back. To do this, you have to go back, open your mail, open your account. Now go to your account and simply delete the account, then again add it from here. After deleting and re-adding and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check storage space. So guys, the insufficient storage on your iPhone can impact app performance. Go to your general, go to your iPhone storage and check if you have enough available space for your new emails. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is simply reset your network settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular and VPN settings. Afterward, reconnect your Wi-Fi and check if the issue is resolved or not. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on your reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.